I'm very proud to be involved in the conservation efforts of this Greater Limpopo Transfrontier Park on managing this vast wilderness area. Oh, it's the magic every time. It's just amazing. That power, it's just incredible. In the Greater Kruger, we're very fortunate that Sandparks and Kruger themselves is very proactive in formalizing agreements for the management of these areas to make sure that it's managed as a wilderness area should be managed. The pressure on the environment is probably, it's everywhere, and areas like this just feel it so intensely as well. But the other threats, the poaching of the animals, rhinos, pangolin, even some plants. It's safeguarding the importance of these wilderness areas where there's such a desperate need for development in countries. And apart from that, I think the awareness that tourism raises is invaluable. Every tourist becomes a wildlife ambassador. And that to me is very important, because the more global awareness we can create, and you can't create that through documentaries. There's nothing like a real experience. Every tourist that has an experience like we're having this morning goes back and his soul has been touched, and he'll carry that message out.